Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Sunday morning. It's family Sunday dinner day. And I gotta have something fun for dinner tonight. So last night, Robin and I basically took the night off. Robin had a very busy day taking care of some stuff. And then I had a busy day in the office working on things, like I always do. So we had Red Baron pizza, 4 cheese style. Yeah, it was perfect. For a rainy night, nothing better. Except for soup or stew. But, But yeah, I doctored mine up with a little bit of, I'll get it, I promise. Tabasco, it's not Tabasco straight. It's actually a Tabasco sauce they came out with, comes in a bottle like yay big. It's really good. It's a little sweet, just a little sweet, but it's got that Tabasco flavor to it. One of my favorites. It's great on a lot of things. So today, like I said, this is family dinner night. I am preparing Pastitsio, which is Greek, and this is a Greek lasagna. It's layered, just like a regular Italian lasagna. So let's get to it. And we got some mince. I got a couple different flavors going on here, using some of this ground proteins for this. Kosher salt, black pepper, of course. Ziti, we're using ziti. Half a yellow onion, which I will do a fine chop on. Garlic, you gotta have garlic. Olive oil, a little bit of red wine, some tomato paste, some milk, because I'll be building a bechamel, Parmesan cheese, butter, flour, the butter and the flour for the bechamel, just a little small can of sauce. The recipe originally calls for crushed. Yes, it calls for crushed. I'm not buying a 28-ounce can of crushed for about a half cup of, yeah, you get it. Egg. I get to separate an egg today, but I get to keep both sides, the white and the yolk. The seasons, or you know what I'm saying. Indonesian cinnamon. I'm using Indian cloves ground and some nutmeg. So, what are you doing for family dinner tonight on Sunday? I got some exciting news coming out. There was a little sneak peek yesterday. Did you miss it? Well, then you better go through the thread. So, on this Sunday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.